Out. Ready. Action.
I'm stunned. Okay. And
See, motherfucker. See, you don't know something? I'm the last one from Pablo Escobar, man. I'm the last one from motherfucking Noriega, man. The last one in America, you know what I'm saying? The Cuban boss, you know what I'm saying? So, this motherfucker we waiting for got like 5 kilos, man. And it's just like something I'm gonna go crazy about for a long time, man. I've been running for a long time since Cuba, man. To touch this motherfucker, man. To touch all of this, it's gonna be a little bit of kilo. But look, man, don't cry, man. But I'm gonna have to man up, man. But I just want this to happen to me, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach you a lot of things. You know, look around. Look around, man. You see a motherfucking car, man? You see the motherfucking cell phone, man? It's no joke out here, man. You gotta make this money, man. Hey, look here, look here. You can flip burgers. It's good money, you know. Good money burgers. I used to flip burgers, man. But motherfucker said, no, man. No burger for me. Came from Cuba, and I told him.
For Mother's Day, Mom would love a